First thing, I'm going to put on some goggles. I'm going to slide a piece of cardboard between the plastic windshield and this frame. This has got some really nasty road rash on it. Let's see if I can take this out using a fairly aggressive sandpaper. Coming out pretty good. I'm gonna keep working on that, see how we end up looking. This is cleaned up really well. I'm gonna run the sander line. There's some burrs and stuff on there. There's still a few more. I'm going to go over that again. Put a stone on the drill. Just going to polish this up a bit with that. Looks good. To protect this, it's bare steel here now. I'm going to put some automotive clear coat on there as a protective barrier. Otherwise this will rust. Some on that edge too. I'm going to put another coat on probably tomorrow. There is before. But be sure and check out my other videos. Please subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment below. Have a great day.